Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're making wings, which is one of my favorite things to make, so I can't wait to share with you. What we're gonna need today are the following ingredients: your chicken wings, flour, mild buffalo sauce, black pepper, salt, lemon pepper, butter, and on the side we'll make homemade fries, so you'll need a sack of potatoes. Let's get started. Alright, we're cutting our fries. So you take the whole potato, you cut it in half again, and we'll go one more time after that. So they should be about that thick. Okay, so I just washed the chicken and now I'm going to show you guys how to cut it. So let's watch. First, you're going to cut off this piece right here. That's why it helps to have a scissors. And then we're going to cut in half going this way. See how we're cutting down the middle? And now we have our two pieces. So let's continue on and try again. So like I said, we cut this piece first off, and then we go in half this way. Okay. And now we want to separate these two. So we'll keep going with the rest. Got the whole wing here. Boom. And then we cut off this guy. So now you can see we have our two pieces. And just keep going with the rest of the wings. We'll come back afterwards, wash it one more time, and then it's time to go back in the fryer. Okay, so the wings are all cut and ready to go, but before they could go in the fryer, we do have to coat them with flour and seasonings. So now that you have a bowl out, you will need to now add flour. Just enough to fit all your wings. That should be enough. And then you want to put a generous amount of salt and pepper. Give it a quick mix. And now the chicken wings are ready. The chicken wings are ready to go in this flour now. So make sure you have your fryer ready to go and the oil is already hot, because we're just going to coat them and throw them right in now. Okay, so today I'm going to be using my deep fryer to make all the wings. For those of you at home that don't have a deep fryer, you can use your frying pan. But if you don't have one, I do recommend getting one because they just make them so much quicker and it's a lot easier to use. So I will show you now how it works. So you fill all the way to the line that says minimum. Forward and slow. Took up most of the, it was up to here before, so it takes almost the whole thing of oil. And now let's just throw the chicken right in. Okay, so now we're gonna batter the wings. Then we'll throw them in the fryer and then we'll add any sauces and seasonings. Right now I have the fryer at 375 degrees and we'll throw them in there for about 12 minutes. So watch as we dip them in our batter and coat them well. And then toss in the basket. Fill up as many as you can while also giving enough room in your basket. This is my favorite part now. We take the basket that's full and we drop it in slow. Get out. And then you just cover it. Okay, it's been about 12, 13 minutes. They're looking perfect. Let them rest for a little bit and then let's throw them in the bowl. All right, they are done. I like them a little bit on the crispy side. Not burnt, just a little crispy. These are going to be for our mild ones. Last one. All right, how do they look? Looks good. Let's finish with the remaining batch. We have to go back to coating and then transferring back into the fryer. So we're just going to repeat the same process one more time. Let's go. Okay, the chicken's all done. Time to make the fries that we have on the side. So we're just gonna put those in the fryer now. These only take about 5 minutes. That's why we saved them for the end and did all of the chicken first. So I'll do about half now, and then we'll do the other half when we come back. Alright, set your timer. Alright, the fries are done. Let's take a look. I'm just putting them in any bowl I have. These came out perfect. They're golden. And let's just put the rest of our batch now. We do have some other fries waiting on the side to transfer in. So now we have to season the fries. Put salt and pepper. Season them well. I actually like dipping the fries in ranch and also the wings in ranch. So if you guys like ranch too, it's very good on the side. Just a quick toss, and that's good. So I told you guys we're going to make 2 different types of wings. We did one for the buffalo mild sauce, and then the other one is lemon pepper. Let's do the lemon pepper first. As you can see, I have melted butter. The butter's melting right now. I just put like half of the stick in because I have a lot of wings. You can see how it's like so soft and melted. So you just want to toss it in there. Make sure the butter gets to coat all of it. And I always like to use my brush. While they're hot, we want to quickly go ahead and add our seasonings. Here's the lemon pepper, as you could see. Salted as well. And I actually like to just put my lid right back on and toss it like this. Check it out. It smells so good. You could see the butter, the lemon. It smells like lemon. You see the little pepper marks, little salt and pepper. Everything looks good. Should we taste one? That is so good. So this time we're doing our mild. As you remember, we bought our sauce. Wings are in a bowl. Just slowly add the sauce. And we'll toss that and see how it looks. If you got your lid, you want to toss now. Let's go back and add some seasonings now. Salt and pepper. Boom! Looks hot. Let's taste one. That is so good. I don't know which one I like better. They're both so good. I should finish before I keep talking. That's so good. You guys are really gonna love them. If you guys like other flavors, you could do like barbecue sauce. You could do like a Hawaiian honey something. Whatever you guys want. But I really recommend trying these mild, the buffalo wing. And then also doing the lemon pepper that I just showed you. Fries are almost done. That means it's time to set the table, relax, enjoy the food. I hope you guys love this video. If you have any questions, anything at all, please comment below. And I'll have all the ingredients listed in the description. This way you guys can know exactly how much to put. And I really just hope you liked it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, all the wings are plated on the dish. Yours should look the same, unless you did any other different sauces or seasonings. But I hope you guys really enjoy it. That was so much fun. And don't forget to like and subscribe.